Hello everyone, another segment of Cooking with Nichole. Tonight, dessert. Always wanting, it's always that last little minute thing when you want something sweet and good, but you want it fast. Well, guess what? We have that option for you. I'm going to make a keto peanut butter chocolate chip mug cake. Lots of mug cake recipes out there on Pinterest, so this is just one of them, but I know the other nights that I found a brownie one as well, so I'll feature both of the recipes with this post tonight when we put it on Facebook. So what we're going to do is we're going to combine all of our wet and dry ingredients together. So I have a fourth of a cup of unsweetened almond milk, and the kind that I use is part almond milk, part coconut milk, but unsweetened, and this happens to be vanilla almond milk. And then to that, we're adding 2 tablespoons of coconut flour. We have half a teaspoon of baking powder. This is what's going to make it rise in the mug. We have 1 tablespoon of melted butter. And if you don't want any salty background to it, use unsalted butter. But this recipe actually calls for a little pinch of salt. So my pinch of salt is the salt from the melted butter. 1 egg. And then 1 teaspoon of monk fruit sweetener. You can use Swerve, you can use stevia, any sweetener that is not sugar, you can use, it doesn't matter. But I put 1 teaspoon in there, and then I have 1 tablespoon of creamy peanut butter. There we go. We got it all in there, and now we're gonna whisk this all up quickly. What I'm making here is going to be enough for 2 serving sizes, and we're going to put it into just a basic coffee mug. So for all of you wanting another use for your coffee mugs, here we go. So we're just gonna put it in our coffee mug when we get this all whipped together. If you want to use a hand mixer to really get it mixed up well, you certainly can. I don't think that's necessary. As you see, it's coming together pretty easily. It smells amazing. It's got a great peanut butter smell to it, and you just want it so that it's a nice smooth texture, no lumps or bumps in it. Very good. All whisked together. And now we're going to fold in, I have a fourth of a cup of the Choc Zero chocolate chips. So these are the keto chocolate chips that you can pick up at Strong Pour or Wellness District. These happen to be the dark chocolate chips that I'm using tonight, but we do have milk chocolate and white chocolate chips available as well. So we're just going to add those into the mixture and fold it together. And then we're going to put it into our coffee mug, making sure that when we're filling this up here that we're leaving at least, depending on your mug size, this may fit all into 1 mug, which it looks like it's going to. You want to leave at least 1.5 inches room at the top, so as it rises it doesn't bubble over the side of the mug. And we've got plenty of space there. As you can see, we're definitely well within that 1.5 inches. And now we're going to pop it in the microwave for 3 minutes, and you're going to let it microwave for 3 minutes. Take it out, check it. If it still looks like it's a little wet, microwave it for another 30 seconds. Stop it and check it. This has the potential of becoming dry and crumbly, so make sure that you're checking it in, 10 to 30 minute increments so that you don't overcook it. So I'm going to hit the button and we're going to microwave it for 3 minutes, and when it's all done, I'll take it out and show you what it looks like. All right, so just came out of the microwave. 3 minutes exactly is what it took. As you can see, it's a nice firm texture. It did poof up out of the mug as it was microwaving, but it kind of collapsed back down, but smells amazing. It's a nice firm texture, doesn't appear to be wet. And so to top it off, I'm going to add a little bit of whipped cream, everybody's favorite, and no additional carbs added. And there we go. We got dessert in your favorite coffee mug. This, for one serving, is 235 calories, 5.3 grams of net carb, and 7.4 grams of protein. So you're getting a little bit of protein, you're getting more fat than anything, which is going to keep you and carry you out to be full for a longer period of time, but ooey, gooey, and delicious. There's your sweet deal for dessert.